This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Open the glove box. Push in the sides of the glove box slightly to free the door stops and pull it down. Release the damper clip to allow access to the cabin filter. Depress the tab on the left side of the filter door and remove it. Pull the filter element from the housing. Insert the new filter element into the housing. Install the cover by sliding the right side in first, then locking the left side tab in place. Pull up the glove box door, then reattach the damper clip. Push in the sides of the glove box and move it up to its original position.